Hello, fellow affiliate marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Xplorium. Today, we're about to unlock the secrets to supercharging your affiliate marketing game. Are you ready to dive into the heart of affiliate marketing success? Today, we're talking about the powerhouse combo, content creation and affiliate marketing strategies. Your content is your goldmine. It's what draws your audience in and keeps them engaged. Quality is key. Make it valuable, informative, and entertaining. The real magic happens when you know your audience like the back of your hand. What are their problems, desires, and pain points? Your content should offer solutions. To ensure your content is discoverable, embrace the SEO enchantment. Use relevant keywords and phrases. Optimize your content for search engines. Consistency is your most potent wand. Regular content updates keep your audience coming back for more. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Now, let's unravel the affiliate marketing strategies. Choose the right products that align with your content and audience. Promote products you genuinely believe in. Storytelling is your secret weapon. Weave stories around the products you promote. Personal anecdotes, case studies, they connect with your audience on a deeper level. Never underestimate the call to action spell. Guide your audience on the next steps. Encourage them to click that affiliate link, subscribe, or engage in the comments. The crystal ball of success lies in analyzing and adapting. Use analytics to understand what's working. Adjust your strategies accordingly. Here's your quest. Share your favorite content creation tip or affiliate marketing strategy in the comments below. And if you're finding this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. That's it for today, my friends. Thanks for joining me on this journey to elevate your affiliate marketing game.